Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a mind map in Notion. Alright, so let's begin. Mind maps are a powerful way to organize your ideas, plan projects, and make your notes more visual and easier to understand. Let's jump right in. First, head over to mindmap.so, which is a third-party tool designed specifically for creating mind maps. Think of it as a digital workspace where you can visually connect your ideas. Once you're on the site, you'll see options to connect with other apps. Go ahead and link it to your Notion account. If it's your first time using mindmap.so, you'll need to authorize the connection. Just follow the prompts and grant access. It only takes a minute. Once connected, you'll see your Notion pages appear inside the tool. From here, select the pages you want to include in your mind map. For example, if you're working on a project, you might choose pages related to tasks, ideas, or planning. Next, it's time to build your mind map. Inside the editor, you'll see a central node with branches extending outward. Start adding your topics and organizing them into a structure that makes sense to you. You can drag, rearrange, and customize each branch freely. Don't worry about making it perfect right away. Mind maps are flexible and meant to evolve as your ideas grow. Once you're happy with your mind map, click on the share button. This will generate a link to your map. Take a moment to review everything and, if needed, make any final edits before copying the link. Now head back to your Notion workspace and open the page where you want to add the mind map. Paste the link and then select the embed option. Within seconds, your interactive mind map will appear right inside Notion, ready for you to use and update anytime. You've successfully created and embedded a mind map in Notion. This is a great way to brainstorm, plan, and visualize your ideas all in one place. And that's it. This is how you can create a mind map in Notion. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.